Hello, hello, hello. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel, especially to all my students and their parents. And if you are new to my channel, please 1. Subscribe. 2. Like. Share. So don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3. Like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. 4. Subscribe. All right. Our lesson for today is still on statistics, and it is how to compute mean deviation for ungrouped data. And still, this is explained in Filipino and English. Mathematics 7, fourth quarter. The mean deviation, no, the dispersion of a set of data about the average of this data is the average deviation or mean deviation. To compute the mean deviation of ungrouped data, we use the formula MD is equals to the sum of the mean of or score minus the mean over n, where MD is the mean deviation, X is the individual score, X bar is the mean, and N is a number of scores. So this is the formula. X minus X bar is the absolute value of the division of the mean. Okay, so to compute the procedure, in computing the mean deviation is this one. Number one, find the mean of all these cases or scores. And number two, find the absolute value difference. And three, find the sum of differences and divide it by n. Okay. Example number one, find the mean deviation of the given data. So we have the given data is x, 10, 12, 12, and 14. So to calculate the mean, so we of course we add, no? We add all, and this the total is 48 divided by 4 because there are 4 cases. So that is 12. Then 12, okay, that's why ang mean nito ay 12, no? So we have x minus x bar. So that's 12 minus 10 is 2. 12 minus 12 is 0. 12 minus 12 0. 12 minus 14 minus 12 is equals to 2. So if we are going to add this, no, to get the sum, the total is 4. Now, paano natin kukunin yung ating what do you call this one? Yung ating MD. So from the MD formula, that is equal to the sum of x minus x bar, or the score minus the mean, divided by the n. Okay, so we have 4 over 4 is 1. So that means the mean deviation is 1. Alright, next we have another example. So this time, we have given the scores and frequency. This means, ano ibig sabihin nito? So, 17 people get the score of 2. 12 people get the score of 3. So, that's why 2 times 17 is 34. We just multiply. And then 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 19 is 76. 5 times 28 is 140. 6 times 19 is 114. 7 times 9 is 63, and 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 106, the total frequency, and we have the total of the sum of fx is 479. Now, if you're going to get the mean, so okay, so we have the sum of fx over n. So that is 479 divided by 106. All right, so the approximate. So the approximate mean is equals to approximately about a 4.52, no? Or we can round off to the highest whole number, which is 5. Which is 5. Okay, so let us add the entries in columns, no? Okay, so we have, so from our mean, which is 4.52, no? So we got 4.52 minus 2 is 2.52. And then 4.52 minus 3 is equals to 1.52. And then 4 minus 4.52 is 0.52. 5 minus 4.52, the answer is 0.48. 6 minus 4.52 is equals to 1.48. 7 minus 4.52 is 2.48. And then 8 minus 4.52 is 3.48. The total is 12.48. Now let us multiply all the sums here. So 2.52 times 2 times 17 is to 42.84. No? 1.52 times 12 is 18.24. 19 times 0.52 is 9.88. 0.48 times 28 is 13.44. And then 1.48 times 19 is 28.12. 2.48 times 9 is 22.32. And then 3.48 times 2 is 6.96. So to get the total, so we have the sum of f, absolute value of x minus the x bar is equals to 141.8. So i-add nyo lang po lahat yan, no? So therefore, to get the mean deviation or MD is equals to the sum of f times x minus x bar over n. So 141.8 over 106. So the approximate, no, or the approximate value is 1.34. So this is our approximately the mean deviation is 1.34. All right. Okay, so we have now example number 3. Find the MD. Of course, so we have the given, the X 3 to 9. Then the frequency. So we have here the frequencies. Na? Okay, ito yung mga frequencies niya. And we multiply the X and F. So it's 24. 4 times 6, 24, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the total frequencies is 50, and the sum of the frequency times the scores is 276. So we get the mean, that is about 5.48, no? So 5.48 minus 3, so since the given, so this is absolute value. That is why no need to write negative or positive, no? So absolute value ng lalabas, so lahat ng sagot dito ay positive. Okay, so 5.48 minus 4 is 1.48. 5 minus 5.48 is 0.48. 6 minus 5.48. Of course, here, lahat na yan sagot na natin. No? So, ang total niyan is 64. And then, we multiply the frequency. 8 times 2.48, that is 7. Okay. No? So, yan. And then, 6 times 1.48 is 5.92. And then, 9 times 0.48 is 4.32. 14 times 0.52 is 7.28. 8 times 1.52 is 12.16. 4 times 2.52 is 10.08. And, of course, 3. So, the total is 50.72. Now, kukunin na natin ngayon yung kanyang MD. Okay, so for the mean deviation, that is equals to the sum of fx, na? So, x minus x bar, okay, over n. So that is 50.72 divided by uh, 50. Okay, so we have 50.72 divided by 50. The answer is 1.0144, or that is 1, no? So the mean deviation is 1. Right? Okay. So for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye-bye. I love you all. Mega love shout out to all the teams that are present today.